We are cutting out an unwanted segment from your video timeline in CapCut PC right now. First, open your project and drag your video file directly down into the timeline tracking area. If your clip looks too small to work with comfortably, move your mouse to the right side of the screen and use the Zoom Slider tool to expand your timeline view. Now playback your video or manually drag the vertical playback line to find the exact frame where the bad footage starts. Once your line is perfectly positioned at that start frame, click the split icon button located right above the timeline track or simply press Ctrl plus B on your keyboard. This action instantly cuts your video into two separate pieces at that exact timestamp. Next, continue playing the video or dragging that same vertical line forward until you reach the very last frame of the mistake you want to get rid of. Hit that same split button or press Ctrl plus B one more time. You have now successfully isolated the bad footage into its own distinct, independent clip. Click directly on that middle segment to highlight it. Now, press the Delete key on your keyboard or right-click the segment and choose Delete from the pop-up menu. CapCut will automatically remove that portion and snap the remaining clips back together seamlessly. The important thing is that once you delete this segment, the original transitions or continuous audio between those 2 points will be permanently separated, meaning you lose the original flow across that cut. In my case, I always double-check the audio continuity before making the final cut. If everything looks smooth, your edit is complete. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.